What's up, guys? I got a lot of new camera gear and I need a new shelf because my desk is an absolute mess right now. So we went to Ikea and we just got a new small shelf, but I have to be building all of it today. So I'm in builder mode. We'll see if I actually want to like move the camera around and get some like close-ups and details and whatnot. It was supposed to be a lazy Saturday, but I don't think this counts as lazy at all. Music. Unfortunately, one of the shelf pieces that we bought has these like huge scratches, so we have to return these anyway, so we have to go to Burbank. But we're almost there. It's level, the door works fine, and so pretty pleased with it. All right. Finally done. Finally done. Nice little glass. Hopefully I can make this top layer like my charging station. Put some glass and lenses down here. And then we'll put all like tripods, jobies, and all of that light stuff down here. So, it's a start.